Greetings, greetings, grand rising to everyone. This is Rising. How you guys are doing? So today, this is my tea of choice today, and I've sweetened it with a little bit of manuka honey. Yes, are you guys loving my little mug? The comeback is always better than the setback. Yay, I like that. So the sehaw tea, Kinka laba tea, also known as sehaw, and Senegal tea, contains flavonoid, antioxidant, promotes digestion, support blood pressure, anti-aging. We all need a little bit of that, right? Physical well-being, and the quality of sleep. So this is what I am sipping on this morning. I'm sipping on health. I ain't sipping on that yak. I'm sipping on healthy. It is important that we try to maintain our health, and this is a good antioxidant. This is a good tea, especially for the blood pressure and for your nervous system. Yes, I'm loving this tea. I'm loving it. I'll do a video to show you how I make it, but it's simple how you make it. Very simple. But anyway, it's 100% hand-picked from West Africa. Okay, I'm going to flip it over so you can see where the order, and this is where, right there, Safari.com if you are interested in purchasing any of this tea. It has the instructions on back and how to brew it with a little write-up about the tea. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and share, please. More healthy teas coming your way.